So here is my drive home. So definitely had to slow down. Doing about 37, and I'm probably going to be slowing down here a little bit more because I see traffic up ahead and it's slowing down. And this is actually a better spot. It'll be interesting when I turn into the wind how bad it'll get. That just answered my question. I mean, I had a total whiteout here for a second. I can see why those cars slowed down. So I got my hazards on. And it's 11:22, and I got about 8 more miles to make it home. So long as nobody comes driving up behind me quickly, I should be okay. But I had paused the phone, but I had a whiteout condition. I mean, the road was gone. I was just using the force. Use the force, Luke, the force. Down to 26 miles an hour now. Better to drive slow than end up in a ditch. Okay, now we're turning into the wind. This ought to get interesting. Because I can see the car slowing down even more. I don't know if it needs to do 25, but definitely not going to be passing anybody. I didn't get behind a snowplow this time, but there's a snowplow coming up. I wonder which way he's going. It almost would be worthwhile. Yep, looks like he's going my way. But I don't know how far he's going. So yeah, here's pretty much whiteout condition. I just know the road turns. And if I would hit the brights, yeah, this is going to be interesting. I guarantee you, in about an hour, if they don't get a plow down here, this road is going to be impossible to drive down with the type of vehicle I'm in right now. And the only thing I got going in my favor is I got good tread, and I've driven in this type of weather all my life. But ramped it up about 37 miles an hour, and that's probably about as fast as I'm going to go. Yep. All you need to do is get one good blast, and the road will literally disappear. Give me an idea how I'm seeing it. Actually, driving right into the snow sometimes is best. Not all the time. Hey there, road just pretty much just disappeared. And basically, I'm just using my memory of driving this road for decades, where it goes. Because once you go into the ditch, your choices are limited. Welcome to the Midwest snowstorm. To be honest with you, this is going to get worse before it gets better. So I'm kind of glad I'm heading home now. If I would have left an hour later, this would probably be a no-go. And I just wonder what my road's going to be like. This road gets plowed. Mine does not. So it shall be interesting. Now, coming up to another whiteout, you can kind of feel it by looking at the road. The whiter the road gets, then you know this is an area where the snow is coming down a little harder. Isn't this fun? down there in Arizona and Florida and South Texas and all those southern states, this is what you're missing. And I'm sure you're not missing it. Alright. There's another whiteout coming. Yep. I got my hazards on. And I got a vehicle behind me that's kind of tracking my same speed. So at least I got a buffer. Not that anybody should be going fast here. Like I said, you can literally see the road just disappears. Alright, time for me to get both hands on my wheel.